When we think of grand architecture, our minds often jump to skyscrapers, bridges, and sprawling cities. But in the wild, animals have been quietly building marvels that rival, sometimes even surpass, our greatest feats. From intricate underwater cities to towering earthen cathedrals, their creations aren't the product of blueprints or CAD software. They're guided by instinct, environment, and an intimate understanding of physics honed over millennia. Every curve, chamber, and tunnel is shaped by wind, temperature, and survival needs. And today, we'll step inside the world of nature's most surprising engineers to see how they design, build, and thrive in ways we could never imagine. In the grasslands of Africa and Australia, termite mounds rise like earthen skyscrapers, some over 30 feet tall. But their true genius lies inside, a complex system of tunnels and vents that regulate temperature and humidity with astonishing precision, keeping their underground farms, yes, termites cultivate fungus, at just the right conditions. High above, weaver ants take a different approach, turning living trees into scaffolding. They work together in massive teams, forming chains of their own bodies to pull leaves together, then sew them shut with silk produced by their larvae, living bridges and walls built without a single tool. And then there are spiders, whose silks are stronger than steel by weight and more versatile than plastic. From intricate orb webs to underwater air bubble retreats, their engineering blends artistry with deadly precision. Beavers are perhaps the best-known animal architects. Their dams transform rushing streams into calm ponds, creating safe havens rich in food and shelter, not just for themselves but for countless other species. These furry civil engineers reshape entire landscapes. Birds, meanwhile, build for both survival and style. Weaver birds craft hanging basket nests that sway to deter predators, while bowerbirds decorate intricate bowers with colorful objects to impress potential mates. Construction is both shelter and art. Then there's the burrowing owl, which takes advantage of abandoned prairie dog tunnels. They modify these underground homes into complex networks, using them for safety, storage, and raising chicks. A clever case of renovation over new construction. Not all animal engineers build from scratch. Cuckoo bees skip the hard work entirely, laying their eggs in other bees' nests so their young can take over, nature's freeloading architects. Fiddler crabs dig winding burrows that serve both as storm shelters and as stages for courtship displays, waving their oversized claws from the entrance to attract mates. And in the Arctic tundra, foxes build insulated snow dens that can last for decades, passed down through generations. These frozen fortresses protect against temperatures that would freeze most animals in minutes. Human engineers are increasingly looking to the animal kingdom for inspiration. Spider silk's strength and flexibility are influencing new materials. Termite mound ventilation is guiding energy-efficient building designs. Even the cooperative strategies of weaver ants are inspiring swarm robotics. But these master builders face growing threats, from habitat loss to climate change. Protecting their homes means protecting the delicate ecosystems they support. So which of nature's architects fascinates you most? The spider with her perfect trap, the beaver reshaping rivers, or the ant that turns leaves into palaces? One thing's certain, when it comes to engineering brilliance, nature has been running the show for millions of years, and we've still got a lot to learn. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps the channel.